Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. It is tea time again. Yes, tea time. There's no tea in here, I don't think. So I put up a video yesterday of the first part of this Hobbii order. The second part just arrived. So we're going to open it together. It's the new yarn from Hobbii called Tea Time. Oh, by the way, I have a tutorial for this. And it's got a hood, but you don't have to make the hood. You can just make a collar. I show you how to do that in the tutorial. This one also has a pocket. Let me show you this. There's a pocket here. You don't have to make the pocket. Yeah. So, yeah, I'll put up the tutorial. Actually, I'll put it up wherever it goes. And I hope you check it out. I'm actually working on another one. This one I held 2 yarns together. I'm making another one with just 1 yarn. And yeah, so I have a little ways to go on that, but it's from my tutorial, so it's not going to be a new tutorial. Okay, let's open this. Let's open it. All right. Let's see. It's another color of that yarn I showed yesterday. Oh. There should be 2. There's 2. And no candy again. Did they run out? Okay, so we'll just go over what it is again. Tea Time by Hobbii. Right there. And it is a 100% acrylic. It's a medium 4, 200 grams, 7.1 ounces, 580 meters, 634 yards. Let's see, you can wash it at 30 degrees, no bleach, lay flat to dry, no iron. Made with love in India, and Hobbii is in Denmark. This color is 15, and I'll write it on the screen because they named them all after tea. Okay, now this is not just dark gray or black and lighter gray and a little bit of white or off-white. There's actually, let me just show you here. There's actually a little bit of tan colored yarn in there as well. There, you should be able to see that good. I really like neutrals, and that's what this is pretty much. And I do like color as well. I'm just kind of all over the place. Since I started crocheting, there's certain colors that I liked, like royal blue is my favorite, but then I really like dark purples and dark pinks, and yeah, I pretty much love all the colors. It's, you know, you see yarn, it's like, oh my gosh, it's like a dark green, and maybe you didn't like that before, and all of a sudden you like it because it's in yarn. It's like really weird. Does that happen to you? Anyway, I got 2 of these. So these are the final colors I ordered. If you didn't see yesterday's video, go check out the colors. Go check out the colors that I got. As of yesterday, these were still $7.50 each, and that's US dollars. I'm in Canada, so you know it's going to cost us more. That's how it is. Okay, and I also crocheted with one of them yesterday in that video, so make sure you check it out. All right, there we go. So I got all the colors that I ordered. They have lots of colors, guys, lots. So I'll put the link directly to the yarn below and tell you if they're still on sale today at the time of the recording of this video. All right, guys, I have some happy mail too, but that'll be in a separate video at some point. Yeah. All right. So thanks so much for joining me again today, and I really appreciate you all. And please, please remember to click like. It really helps us out. It helps move us up that algorithm, and you know, so that other people can see what we have to share. Maybe they'll be interested, and yeah, make sure you're subscribed, because I heard from a non-yarny channel that YouTube has been unsubscribing people again. Maybe they do it all the time. I don't know. But so just make sure that you are subscribed. I'm working on a tutorial as well for, it's probably going to be a shrug. Yeah, just a cute shrug. All right, guys, I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.